Hey Vikes, I'm Grace.
And I'm Brooke.
In this week's video, we will have two couples going head to head in a couples bake-off.
Let's see how it went.
Couples baking challenge.
Bro, I just moved where my pans are at. I don't know where my pans are at. Like,
You don't cook?
do I look like I cook?
Wait, like, you is the birthday. They're right there.
Vegetable oil. Don't use the butter spray.
Why not? No.
Oh.
Hi.
That's not a bowl.
That is a bowl.
Oh.
That's not a bowl. It's not.
It's up there. It's targeted. Look in the pantry. There's gotta be something in there.
It's your house. You look in the pantry.
There's tons of oil.
He knows his way to the pantry. Like,
Okay, come on, boyfriend.
Oh, can't just take that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is our first time baking as a couple. Being so funny today.
that's
Son, you know, once
I got demoted.
Yeah, because it took you 5 minutes and you barely stirred it.
The yolks wouldn't break.
Okay.
Did you guys spray any of this?
Yeah. No, we didn't spray it, we put olive oil.
Oh, okay. What are you adding?
Secret, I can't tell you. If I told you, I'd have to kill you.
5 minutes for
Okay, Dawson. This is actually bad.
20.
Yuck.
Putting in it. Putting it what? Putting it in?
Excuse me.
Can you stop?
Actually, I have to wait 30 minutes.
Yeah, we have to.
Do you know you have 30 minutes? Are you kidding me? 30, yes.
Dawson.
What?
Yep, that's good to me.
Hey,
You have to
stick a
ask
toothpick in your eyes to make sure it's cooked all the way.
I just.
Okay, well that's okay.
Oh, that's not cooked all the
They're
way.
good.
Whoa.
They're under there.
I just like that.
Underwear.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
They win.
Who?
Huh?
Jacob and Taryn.
No. How?